Every snowflake is different. And did you know every human is different too? So when Christmas comes with its bells and drums and carolers singing tunes, it's fun. But wait, that may not be what everybody likes to do. So let's hop on a plane and fly around the world. There's so much love to spread and such wonderful things to learn. Christmas happens here and it happens there and all over the globe. So where shall we go? To Australia, where we'll trade the snow for blistering heat and an ice cream cone, where the shopping centre Santas switch to board shorts for the walk home. Or to China, where a Christmas tree is a tree of light and you might take a bite of an apple offered to you in the spirit of peace. Or to Germany, where if you've been good, Saint Nick will bring you gifts and fruits. Or if you've been unruly, Krampus truly will be cramping your style. Meanwhile, let's hop on a plane and fly around the world. There's so much love to spread and such wonderful things to learn. Christmas happens here and it happens there and all over the globe. So where shall we go? To Norway, we'll boil some oats, making porridge for the little gnomes so they don't prank us and they'll thank us by protecting our homes. To the Philippines, where they like to eat purple rice and delicacies like puto bumbong, and they sing songs to make the season sweet. To Venezuela, where everyone wakes and puts on their roller skates to get to church, to go to mass. So wave as they ride past and let's hop on a plane and fly around the world. Whether you say Merry Christmas, a kookaloo, or Feliz Natal, Christmas happens here and it happens there and all over the world. So where shall we go?